If you live in Australia and want to make money online, make sure you watch this video to the end, because what I'm going to share with you is the absolute best way to make money in 2025. If you've been living under a rock and you haven't heard of TikTok Shop, let me fill you in, because regular people just like you and me are making absolute wild amounts of money just by making simple videos on their phones. So what exactly is TikTok Shop? Basically, this is going to be a seamless experience within the TikTok app where merchants can sell products and affiliates can make videos and sell these products for these brands. But the best way to make money will be as a TikTok Shop affiliate, as there is no barrier to entry and you can easily get started. Basically, you'll be able to make videos promoting products and tag the product directly on your video, so people will be able to watch your video and buy it within the TikTok app. The reason this is such a golden opportunity is because instead of having to build an account to such a large following and then send all of that traffic to an external website like an Amazon storefront or a Shopify website, everyone will be staying inside the TikTok app, which will make the conversion rates so much higher. But that isn't even the craziest part. The reason people are making so much money is because TikTok will actually boost your videos once they start making sales. This is why it is so much easier than regular affiliate marketing, and you don't need a big audience to start pushing products to big numbers. It's the first time in history where affiliate marketing is a win-win for everyone involved. TikTok makes money, the merchant makes money, but most importantly, you make money as an affiliate. This works out so much better for TikTok as it keeps their viewers much more engaged without having to leave the platform. So they will give any video with a link a boost in the algorithm. Since the launch, this has only been available in the US, the UK, and a few other countries, but recently a TikTok insider has confirmed that TikTok Shop will be coming to Australia in Q1. That means by March 31st, Australians will be able to access the TikTok Shop. I don't know how many people are genuinely understanding how big of a deal this is, but that's why I'm making this video, so that you guys who are the first ones to see this will be able to take advantage of this opportunity before the masses flock to it. My business partner and I have been deep in the TikTok Shop world for the past couple months, and we've just built out a free course and community for you guys, which will be linked down in the description. This is basically an A to Z course which will show you guys what to do before TikTok Shop launches, and then we'll show you guys how to make money once it is here in Australia. Make sure you go and check it out right now, because it's currently free, but this will be a paid community in the future. Whatever you do, do not sleep, as this will be the #1 way to make money in 2025. See you guys inside.